is about take time to find yourself. Welcome, Miss LeAnn. No matter you are confident or you are not confident, or if you are so good at something or you think that maybe I'm not so good at something, we all have one thing in common, is that we are worried about in life, that we don't know how to solve it. And which brings back to our topic today. Why do we get anxious? It's because we want to prepare ourselves for the worst. Scare of failure, social judgment, your trauma. And that thing is something that is considered danger nowadays. That's something that we are anxious on. When you face a problem, you don't know how to solve it with the same method again, because you don't know where this luck will come. So it would be easier if you choose one thing and then you keep repeating it, and then you get the skill and experience, because skills is something that you cannot be taken away and you can it. So when you are in a very anxious state, right, you ask yourself, how would the person that I admire react in my situation? And that will help you to pull yourself out from the situation and think from a third person point of view, so that you won't be that stressed, and then you think from a clearer perspective. I used to overcome my anxiousness is to appreciate the small thing in life. I hope that you continue to figure out, and then one day you'll find your purpose.
Are you ready for the game? Yes. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Step 1, put your hand into the blind box. Step 2, run to the front and then put this card into the basket. Take out your mission card, the small one, and collect your step. And after that, rejoin your team. Money! And go, let's go! Let's go, yeah. First game, the Money Genius Match Challenge. You need to match words with the picture. The second game, the Smart Shopper. You need to identify what's a need and what's a want. The last game, Eyes on Health. You need to spot what's a good habit for your eye and what's a bad habit for your eye. Very simple. Thank you so much. Everybody clap for yourself. Yes.